Hello, and welcome to this screencast about Tegxedo.com. Tegxedo.com is a really great resource for teachers. Teachers can use it in presentations, they can use it to spice up assignments, or even put on their teacher websites. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to create a Tegxedo and also how to embed it and save it as an image. So first I'm going to go to Create. And that'll bring you to the main creation page. So I have one started over here. And with this one, I went up to load, and I entered in a web page. So to enter in a web page, you choose a web page. I found this one about art fundamentals, and I liked what was in the article. So what I did was just copy and paste the URL, go to my Tegxedo and enter it into this web page. And then I hit submit, and it enters in the words that are within that article into this picture. Another option that you can do is what I did with this one, where you go to load and you can type in any kind of text or copy and paste any kind of text that you want to be in your Tegxedo into this box and hit submit. And that information will show up in here. So as you go farther down the column, you hit color, theme, font, orientation, layout, and all. Color will change the color within your image. Theme will change the overall theme, so it can change the background color, it can change the color of the words. Font can change all the different fonts that are happening within your Tegxedo. And orientation will change the direction of your words and which way they're going. So you can hit orientation and see what happens there. Layout. Which also kind of changes the way your words are organized. And you can also hit all, which will change all of the elements. The other fun thing is you can go into this shape category under options and hit the arrow and choose what kind of shape you want your image to be in. So say you're doing a article during Halloween, you might want this pumpkin, or if you're doing something on animals, you might want to choose an animal design. On fashion, you could make this high heel. If you're doing something on the states, there are some that are shapes like states. I'm going to just select this turtle so you can see what happens when you choose an image. So then I have my turtle, and the colors actually work pretty well for a turtle. So you can also go into shape, and they have this option down here called invert. And if you hit that, it changes all the image to an inverted image. So rather than the words being within the inside of the image, they'll be in the negative space. So there are a couple options down here. The gift option, where you can have your Tegxedo put on some kind of cup or t-shirt or something. But for teachers, this resource is really great with the save and share option up at the top. But there's also, you can post it to a Twitter or a Facebook page if you have a Facebook page in your classroom. But I'm going to go up here to this save and share option and show you the different ways that you can save and share this. So the first one, you can save it as just an image onto your desktop. And I have a bunch of different sizes available. And so, let's see, if I wanted to save this as this 500 kp size, I could open one of my teacher websites and start to edit those. Go up here to Insert Image, and here's this image that I had already uploaded from my desktop. Hit OK, and there it is posted on my teacher web page. Now another great way to do this on the teacher web page is to actually embed the image, because when you embed the image from your Tegxedo, cool thing is that each word is linked to a Google search of the word, so that if someone wanted to click on it, then it would send them to that Google search page and they could find out a little bit more about that word. So another option for your save and share is you can publish it to the web, you can print it, create a thumbnail, or this advanced option which helps you embed it. So after you choose your size, you can go to this full HTML code, copy and paste that, then you can go back to your teacher website, edit, and insert it under your HTML option, which may be different on different teacher websites. So I'll paste that in there, update it, and then that'll show up on my website. So this is a different one that I did with the inverted options, so you can see kind of what that looks like. And then you can also just embed that with the full HTML code or the code snippet. So that is how you create and edit and save and share your Tegxedo on your Tegxedo.com. So I hope that you learned a lot through this, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.